Hey cool cats, welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about how to read different notes on a stave. Sometimes we don't have access to an instrument, so I'm going to show you an example here where I have metaphorical paper, which is just this whiteboard, and I have my iPad open on GarageBand. Sometimes that's all we got, and I'm going to show you how to use that to have fun and also to feel good when you're feeling down. If you're using an e-piano or an electronic piano on your tablet or on your phone, you may notice that some of these notes have little numbers next to them. That tells you what octave, those notes are. As you see, as I scroll higher up, the number gets higher, and as I get lower down, the number gets lower as well. On a Midi piano, which is what this is over here, middle C is called C3. It's the C that's in the middle of the piano. On a actual piano, or if you're talking with classical musicians, it's called C4. This is because of when they added electronic pianos that were able to do all that cool stuff with all the analog stuff. Like, they wanted to have a number that would work better with 0, so that's why there's two different numbers. On your treble clef, we have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And middle C is located right there. The line that's created right underneath your staves. So just as a little reminder, on a MIDI piano, this is called a C3. And on a acoustic piano, this is called C4. Have you ever been in a situation where you're in a boring class or a really boring meeting and you need to keep your hands busy doing something and you just don't know what to do? Writing out music notes is a little thing I like to do. It's really fun and it helps you stay focused, especially when something's really boring. In the key of C, this note here is also called Do because it's C, and C starts the scale. Because notes written down on sheet music can also be sung, they could also be sung in our heads. So when I see Do here, I can sing Do, or in my head, silently, I could be singing that Do as well, which means that I can actually write out music and have a song playing in my head. Do, re, mi, it can actually be sung in my head silently so that I could write out these notes wherever I'm at if I'm feeling a little bit anxious or a little bit antsy, and I could have a song playing in my head to keep me distracted and also to help me actually stay more focused, because sometimes putting little distractions in your life can help you regain that focus you need. Okay, cool cat, that's everything for this lesson. I hope you learned something about music and about mental health. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music, and I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye.